Why I love this movement. This is a super easy way to crack your own back, okay? So you're going to fold your legs, you're going to cross it over, and then you're going to rotate. You're going to get some nice pops, some nice cracks. And if you don't, it's okay. It's still a really good stretch. So you're going to cross your legs, and then you're going to roll over. Super simple, super easy. You can do this anywhere, anytime. First thing in the morning, last thing at night, middle of the day. If you feel stiff, this is a great way to get nice and loose. Give this a try and share it with someone you love.